What's going on, guys? JAMIExELITE here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys an infinity spot you can do on classified. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, all you got to do is like video for more daily content on my channel. Also guys, if you do want to enter in a giveaway, if you want to enter to win 5,000 Call of Duty COD points at the end of each and every month, all you guys got to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure the notification is turned on. And that is it, guys. You'll be entered in my giveaway at the end of each and every month. So all you guys want to do is start up classified and make sure on your creator class you do have the DG5s and that. So what you have to got, guys, start up classified, and from there, guys, in the room where the bow knife is, you want to come to this location that I do, and all you want to do is get your DG5s ready. You want to jump and use them, and you land on this barrier. It's a really awesome barrier, guys. And the good thing about this as well, if you do get the freeze gun, I forgot what it's called, but I'll walk with the freeze gun. If you do get that, guy, from the mystery box as it is next to you, all you guys want to do is wait until all the zombies come near you. One bullet of that will kill every zombie around you, and it is really awesome. I do show you some footage of me doing that in this clip. So for example, on round 10 you get 2 hordes of zombies. So for example, when every single zombie comes around you, no other zombie can spawn until you kill some zombies from that group. What you guys want to do is pull out your freeze gun, shoot them, and every zombie will get killed around you, and the next horde comes, do the same thing again, and keep repeating that, guys, and you get to a very high round online, and they cannot kill you as you are in this spot, and you are invincible. If you do obviously jump down again, you can pick up like max ammo and items from this as well, so it's really good by doing that. Like for example, if you do get dogs, you can kill the dogs to get the max ammo underneath you. But let's say for example, if you can't do that, you can easily jump down and get it and go back and get it straight away again. So it's really awesome by doing that. So guys, if you do enjoy today's video, please drop a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I didn't even wash my hands. Your flesh sizzling.